Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful crochet table design ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, a crochet table runner is more than just a table decoration. It is a handmade piece that adds beauty, comfort and personality to your dining room or living room. Every stitch is made with care, creating a design that is both useful and elegant. Whether your table is large or small, a crochet table runner can become the perfect centerpiece. Of cotton yarn, lovely patterns and timeless color help create a decoration that stay beautiful for many years. And viewers, modern crochet table runners, friends, and viewers, modern crochet table runner combine traditional crochet skill with simple stylish design, clean line, natural color and elegant pattern fit perfectly into today's home. White crepe and soft green are popular choice. A modern table runner can make your dining tables look fresh without choosing too many decorations. Something simple, beautiful, creating the strong impression. And friends, my next idea is and viewers, friends, and viewers, farmhouse crochet table runner inspiration. Farmhouse style is warm, comfortable and welcome. A handmade crochet table runner fit perfectly with wooden worn basket and fresh flowers. Natural colors such as cream, light brown create a peaceful atmosphere. Handmade decoration make family meals feel even more special and give every table a cozy look. So viewers, hope you are enjoying my videos, viewers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, please see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers.